Hey everyone, it's Miss Kettleson. So last time we worked on place value with decimals and also how to round decimals. So today we're going to be working on how to do addition and subtraction with decimals using standard algorithm. So I put a problem on the board. So 7 and 62 hundredths plus 2 and 39 hundredths. So now we're going to work on how to add those. So we always tell our students start at the end. So you're going to do 2 plus 9, which is 11. Put your 1 down here, and then plus 1. So first you do this. So 6 plus 3 is 9, plus another 1 is 10. And then you cross out when you're done using it. So now we have 7 plus 2 equals 9, plus 1 equals 10. Make sure you drop down your decimal point. So our answer would be 10 and 1/100th. But we also talked to our students about what to do when they're not exactly in the same place value, how to do addition then. So let me just erase. So you could do 3 and 64 hundredths plus 21 and 1/10. So the question now would be, how do we line these up? So I already sort of lined it up. So since this is a 2, 20 would be 2 in the tens column. So you could put a 0 here. Just so your student knows how to line it up exactly. So, and then over here we had 1/10, which means you could put a 0 here. This way, everything should be lined up and you should be able to do the addition, because we did notice some students would be doing 3 and then 16 and then doing the 21. So you want to make sure that your decimals are in the same exact place. That's going to be key. So here you would do 4 plus 0, 4, 6 plus 1, 7, drop down the decimal, 3 plus 1, 4, 0 plus 2, 2. So that's how you would do the standard algorithm of addition with decimals. There's also other ways you could do this. So we've talked to our students about what actually a decimal looks like. So if I had the decimal 1 and 73. So in actuality, it would be 1 whole block of 100. And then another block. So hundredths mean it would be 1 block cut into 100 squares. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to do all of it, but then your student could basically go through, do 7 rows of 10, and then add 3 ones. And then if I added another, so plus 2 and 3/100ths, then you could do down here, you could show 2 more boxes fully done. And your student could then count those. So that's a strategy in itself. Another way is that you could split up it by place value. So if we had 10 and 54 hundredths plus 9 and 2/10. So here you could split it up by doing the hundredths by itself. So then you could create a problem over here. So that would equal 4 hundredths, and then you could do another problem down here where you're just doing the tenths. So 5 tenths plus 2 tenths equals 7 tenths. and then you could do your ones. So 10 plus 9 equals 19. So then you would take all 3 of your answers and you would add them up. So I could do 19 plus 7/10, so make sure you do here. 7/10 plus 4/100. So 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 7 plus 0 equals 7. Drop down your decimal and then put down your 19. So that's another way of doing it if your student needs to break it up. So let's work on subtraction now. Let's just change this right here to a subtraction symbol. So I can also put a 0 here. So basically it's just subtraction with just decimals. So I could do 4 minus 0 equals 4. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Put my decimal point there. 0 minus 9, I can't do it. Break my 1. Add a 1 over here, it makes it a 10. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. This is